Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 shop. Today we install our replacing Android screen for a Mini Cooper, and that's where we put the camera. As you can see, that was the original speedometer that it was in the center with the radio, silver color, and we replace it to our Android screen, same matching color, silver. It's fully Android. You can go to the apps to browse the apps by going to reverse. It goes to camera with dynamic parking guidelines, so by turning the steering wheel the dynamic parking guideline turns too. Going back to park, it goes back to the normal mode. Maps are there. You can use online maps and offline maps. It reads some information from the OBD, such as gas consumption, and also we have Bluetooth music and Bluetooth. Radio still there. You can use CD and DVD in this unit, and you can use USB video as well, like it shows 4K videos. If you're interested to get this type of mini units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.